So what we're going to do now, I think, is we are now going to go to the closing ceremony of this Olympics, which is much faster than the time scales. Thanks to those who stuck around through thick and thin here. You're going to be the expert in the room when other people do things. So let me see, I got to share the screen. And apparently there is a way of getting this to slideshow. Okay, so here we are. Here's the closing remarks. They're pretty short. Okay, so first of all, we hope you learned a lot and also had some fun while attending this tutorial. I realize it was very late at night for those of you, especially those of you in India, so our apologies. The materials are still going to be there, so remember to bookmark the tutorial. And we're going to be taking your input and modifying and fixing things. So one of the things we're going to be asking you to do, so there's a big thank you for all the participants for attending and asking questions, to the lecturers for preparing the thorough lectures, to the mentors for helping fix things, and for Software Carpentry for providing an excellent template. And in fact, Dave Demuth actually went through the Software Carpentry training this year. So he sacrificed some more days of his life to this, and he's going to be putting together the videos. So coming soon is we will be posting recordings. We're going to be collecting the questions from the live docs and making a Q&A available. And you will be notified by email when that stuff comes along. If you spot inconsistencies or errors, please let us know, because a lot of other people are going to be trying to follow this without the aid of live answers. And there will be a survey. And actually, Dave, could you put the survey in the chat since I'm doing this? We have a survey that allows us to help build the next one. And everybody else is also going to be receiving it as an email. So we need the feedback on the training. It's anonymous. All questions are optional. And we're going to be sending a reminder to everybody who registered. And let's see, do we have the survey in the chat yet? Uh-oh.
I sure will.
Can somebody who's not me do the survey in the chat? Yeah, because, okay, thanks, thanks.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, and I think that's it. We had a squirrel, and we had the flying llama unicorn thing. So wishing everybody happy programming. We know it was a lot, but you know, with large computing power comes a heck of a lot of stuff you have to learn. So thank you, everybody, and we will be sending you emails with the survey. So please fill out the survey so we can make this better next time. And I'm going to leave this up for a little while, if people have any questions. Yeah, and you now know who we are, so you can also ask us questions offline.